All right, everybody. So this is just a test. We're here at an anonymous place where all the hoodlums train. And this video is really for cutting footage together between the GoPro right here, woo, DJI Mavic Air up there, and the GH5 on Cinelike D, flat profile, and Cinelike D up there. Let's get it on.
Oh shit. Is there something you want to do?
No, let's do what we do.
Okay.
Let's do what we normally do.
The drill.
All right, let's do what we do.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Okay. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. All right, come on back. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. There you go. Here. Just get a leg kick. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. There you go. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. There you go. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Go ahead and go faster. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. One more. Oh, air conditioning.
I know. Please. Don't distract me.
One more. Get you comfortable. There you go. Woo. All right. I'm gonna end the recording right here because the drone's gonna run out of battery and I don't want to burn up my car jar space. Hey, everybody say peace.